particular E. coli cells were grown in 3 different experimental conditions. In the first condition, they grew in the medium that contains glucose as a carbon source. In the second one, medium contained both glucose as well as galactose as a carbon source. And in the third, that was infected with phage. So based on this information, in the figure the particular graphical curve is given and we have to match the curve that is given. So this graphical curve shows number of E. coli cells growing versus time, and M, N, NS. 3 types of conditions are given, and based on this information we have to find out that which curve shows medium containing glucose, which one shows medium containing glucose and galactose, and which one shows medium containing phage. So it initially, when in the medium glucose is added, so if we remember the catabolic repression theory, that initially cyclic AMP levels are very much low and ATP energy levels are high because glucose is so much amount present in the medium, right? So as the number of cells, proliferative cells, are increasing, so more glucose is utilized as the numbers is getting high. So no more glucose is now available in the medium. So as glucose is not available, slowly growth of proliferations number start to decrease, right? Now in the second condition, when both glucose and galactose are present in the medium, so initially obviously glucose is the most favored carbon source for Escherichia coli, right? Glucose is used by the cells and number of cells are normally increasing via the cell proliferation. As the number is getting high, slowly glucose is not available for some time and cells stop to divide, and then cyclic AMP level increases that utilize another carbon source that is also present in the medium, that is galactose, and maintain its steady growth, because as the numbers are not so much increasing via cell proliferation, because ATP levels are not so much present that is easily available for cells, as glucose is now not more available in the medium, right? Now in the third condition, what they give is when phage is present in the medium. So what is the nature of phage? Phage integrates its genome into the E. coli bacterial cells, right? And after the in vitro packaging, it via the formation of phage body particles, it bursts from the E. coli body cells. So more and more cells are now damaging due to the releasing of the phage materials outside the body. So no growth is available as the very much high number of phage numbers are available, and suddenly growth of the E. coli is getting down. If we just focus on graphical curve, then M curve suggests in the medium both glucose and galactose are present, right? Because after the fully utilization of glucose, when galactose is available for E. coli cells, they maintains their steady growth, okay, because one of the most favored carbon sources now no more available for E. coli cells. Now N curve suggests when glucose is available, cell numbers are so much high, and when it is fully utilized by cells, no more carbon sources now available, so slowly cell numbers start decreasing. Now when phage particles are there, then initially they integrates into the genome of E. coli cells, and now after formation of the in vitro packaging body, totally phage particles are released from the E. coli cells. So now as the phage numbers are increasing, E. coli cell numbers slowly start decreasing, and after it sometimes it reached to the point where no more even a single cell is available in the medium due to the higher amount of phage particles are there, okay. So M curve suggests presence of glucose as well as galactose, N curve suggests presence of glucose, and S curve suggests presence of Haj particles in the medium. So friends, if you think that my videos are helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.